this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to delete an instance inside of AWS. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go into AWS like you usually would and then log into your account. Now from here, we'll need to find a specific instance that we want to delete. And to do that, you'll simply need to go over to the search bar and click in EC2 and then go inside of the EC2 dashboard. Now from here, it should be looking something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the left-hand menu and go over to instances, and the first one should be called instance, and once you click on that, you'll be able to get an overview of all of your live instances. Once from here, you'll need to find a specific instance that you want to delete by either searching for it up here in the search bar or find it manually inside of this dashboard overview. Once from here, you'll need to find a specific instance, click on the instance ID, and once from here, you can get inside of the instance and go inside of the instance state. Once from here, you'll need to click on it, and then from here, you'll need to click terminate delete instance. You can also choose to just stop the instance, and then the instance will not be active, but you can always resume the instance later on. But in this tutorial, I'm just gonna terminate or delete the instance. Once from here, it should look something like this, where you can either decide if you want to skip the OS shutdown by clicking right here, or you can choose this off and then click terminate and delete. Now from here, you'll be able to see successfully initiated termination of your instance right here. And this can take approximately anything between a couple minutes to 15 to 20 minutes to do so. But once it's done, you'll just need to go down to instances again, and then once it's done, your instance will disappear from this overview. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!